everybody. Thanks for joining us today. My name's Jessica. This is Hiro, and we are just coming at you to share some of our adventures in the kitchen. I thought it might just be fun to share some techniques and ideas for getting your kids eating healthy and getting their hands on the food as well. So before we begin today's recipe, where'd the lemon go? Let's talk about a few of our rules of cooking, which include expect a mess. Yes, it's gonna happen, and it just gives you a little bit more zen if you're ready and waiting for it. And then also bring extra ingredients because they get hungry, and then it also goes with the whole mess thing. And keep the sharps away from the littles. And lastly, have fun. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's get started with today's recipe, which is hummus. All right, but before we start cooking, we always wash our hands. How long are we gonna wash your hands, Hiro? 20 seconds. You wanna sing a song while we wash? I think we might need a little bit more water. Okay, hands are washed, and let's also take a quick second to take a peek at all the ingredients. All right, there you have it, our ingredients. And our first ingredient, actually let's go ahead, Hiro has the lemon. We are gonna have Hiro squeeze the lemon, and we've only squeezed lemons a few times, so it helps to be as descriptive as possible. Lemon, Hiro, can you put this lemon on here? We wanna get all of the juice out, so push it down, and you might wanna squeeze it and twist it. Oh yes, use those muscles.
Get all the juice away.
You got all the juice away? Is it yummy?
Yes, it's yummy.
Oh, good. And then parents, for this one, it doesn't hurt to just double check because there's probably a little bit of juice left, huh?
But let's do right.
It really makes you want to come eat dinner at our house, huh?
Yay!
Yeah, all right. And here we have it. We have a whole bunch of yummy lemon juice. You're aiming for maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons.
Yes, bitches.
Well, we are gonna put the garlic in there. Okay, let's go ahead. Why not crush the garlic straight in there? It's all gonna get mixed together anyways. Now I have to hide this tool because it is Hiro's favorite, and I'm gonna let him use it today. This is a garlic crusher, and it really just does the work of chopping for you. So we're just let me squeeze it together. Watch out for their fingers for sure.
Are you ready with this?
I am ready for that. That's a great idea. You know what? Maybe we should just take the whole white lid off, huh? Can you take this whole lid off? Working on those fine motor skills. You might want to twist this one. Can we twist it?
No, it's like this.
Let's try this other cap then. You know what? We're gonna need a lot quicker. So what about this one? All right, here we go. Pour it into here first. We're gonna measure it. Good, stop. Perfection. Okay, and that was about half a cup of sesame seed. And again, expect a mess. Oh. But let's stop that mess from getting a little bit further. Hold on for just a moment. All right, and that's done.
Let's go dump it.
We'll dump it? Okay, what is this again? Oil, yep, olive oil. Put it right over. We just put everything into our Ninja container, 'cause this is what we're all gonna puree it or mix it all together in. Beautiful. Okay, now, so what's so special about hummus? Hummus actually fits into the Mediterranean diet eating pattern, which is a bunch of healthy fats and reliance on seeds, and really it's really great for your health as well as just reducing inflammation in the body. So I highly recommend Google searching some Mediterranean diet type recipes. And when I say diet, I don't mean like, you know, really fast fad dieting. I mean just a sustainable, healthy eating pattern. All right. And now, what do we have now? Salt. Yes, we are definitely going to open. Oh, we're going to open the small hole section. So we're just going to go a little dash. 1, 2, 3. Whoop, dash. Did any come out? One more dash. I love that you listened though. That was very good listening. Yep, but nope, we're still using the small hole side. One more dash. All right, perfection. What are we missing, Hiro? This, do you remember what that is?
Yeah.
The lid.
Yes.
And our last ingredient before we put on our lid is going to be our chickpeas, which Hiro went ahead and washed and opened for us earlier. You're going to do that, you know? Oh, you want to hold this part and I'll twist it? Okay, Hiro, what I want you to do, I want you to pick up those chickpeas, the can of chickpeas, and dump them in here for me, please. You can take the whole can. Woohoo! Oh, that's fun. Okay, and watch out for the edges because the edges get sharp, but let's go ahead and rinse them off. We rinse anything that comes from cans for the most part, not always, but things like this. We want to rinse it off, get all the preservatives out of it, especially in the case of, let's see, fruits and vegetables that come out of a can just to get the extra sugars and stuff out. Okay, and now that they fell in the sink, we're going to wash it out real good. Okay, so Hiro, this kind of tastes better after we mix them all together. You know what? And I think this one we're going to go slow and just put in handfuls. Yeah. Good job. This is a great opportunity, again, to go for counting. Yeah, count. 今回は日本語で数えてみようか。1、2、
3、
4、5、Let's see. Oh, we gotta cover our mouth when we sneeze. Good. Parenting.
Yes, you have to do the cap.
You're right. Oh, I got it. Luckily, what I like about this too, it's not too sharp. So, but you know what? I'm still, just in case, I'm gonna put it on, but I'm gonna ask you to spin it.
Yeah, you spin it. Like me gonna spin it.
Yeah.
Mommy gonna.
Perfect. Okay, look. What do you think is gonna happen when we mix it all together?
We're gonna be chocolate.
It's gonna be chocolate?
Yes.
Well, let's find out. We wanna, okay, so
1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8.
perfect.
Pussy, that's it.
Percy, that's it. He said Percy. Who said Percy? But yeah, Hiro was just showing you.
Daddy said pussy. It's movie time pussy.
Oh, not quite yet, but yeah, I just wanted to share one quick last thing. We want to top up our hummus with a little bit of color, so we are going to put a little bit of parsley on top, and I love having Hiro break these leaves off into small pieces in the kitchen. It's super helpful because it helps me do other things at the same time. Winning! I'm ready. Let's do it. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, Okay, so that is just about a wrap. We have our hummus here. I ended up putting in a little bit of water while we were mixing it up. It definitely needed water. It was not going to be creamy enough. We didn't try it yet. We shared that for you. But what else did I want to say? Let's see. This often usually has... Yes. Oh, we're going to dip the cucumbers in the hummus too when the time comes. But let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. We're going to do it together. We're going to do it together. Okay, so we use sesame seeds today. Often it has tahini instead of sesame seeds. And I've heard even seen some recipes have Greek yogurt. But I don't know. I don't think I can keep them waiting for too much longer. So let's go ahead and try it. What do we say before we eat, Hiro? Itadakimasu. Okay, let's go ahead and eat our hummus. Here you go. Here's your cucumber.
No, I'm eating the crackers.
You're eating the crackers? Okay. But we got to try the hummus. You want to lick that? See how you like it? Dip the cracker in there. Let's see. It's yummy. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining us today.
I like it.
You like it? I'm glad to hear that. With that face, I wasn't sure. If you enjoyed the recipe, go ahead, press subscribe below, and we will hopefully see you sometime soon. You say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
See ya.